All right. Let's see if we can get this last target hit, man. Let's see if we can get this last target hit. Yo, it's almost at that level. Shit, I don't know. I mean, if this thing can continue to move up, oh, we're almost there. I mean, it could go to 720. Dude, we're almost there, man. I mean, did the market really? You know what, man? Yeah, let's put that shit up there at 720. Hmm. I mean, I guess we could see that. Guess we could see it. Guess we could. Yo, this thing is session just session's about to open. Hmm. We got this thing just shooting up. Dude, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. That's a lot. That's a big move up. I was thinking that we could possibly see a rejection, but man, that trend, that's just too strong. Okay, so we shouldn't be surprised because of that. We shouldn't be surprised. I mean, that 680 level, yeah. I mean, it tapped right into that area of supply. We shouldn't be surprised by that. But I do expect that once SPY hits like that 600 level, we could see a reversal. We could see it. But we'll see. We will see. Let me sign out of this damn thing before. Because I'm definitely, come on, guys, come on. I'm definitely going to get out of some of these 600 calls that I bought yesterday at open. Shit, should have bought some more apparently. All right, we got 6 seconds, 5 seconds. I'm definitely getting out of these calls. What? All right, we shouldn't be surprised because of that. We shouldn't be surprised at the 680 drop. Damn. Yo, so I bought I might let these XBX calls run. I bought these XBX calls for $30 and are up $140 right now. Mm. I'm gonna let these ride a little bit. I'm gonna let these ride a little bit. I should have bought 2 of these things so I could have taken one off now and possibly. You know what? This is what I'll do. This is what I do because I bought some 0 DTEs. I'll pay for the calls, but I'm gonna let them run. I'm gonna let one run. So just in case, I mean, push come to shove, at least I got my money back. I'll close one at 36 if we see that again. So at least I get my money back. So this is basically me losing house money if we do see a full-fledged reversal. All right. I will wait for a deep pullback on this one, guys. Because we could see price pull all the way back to 485.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro. What's up?
Not much.
Bro, I got some XBX calls that I bought for $30. That was at 140. I'm letting them shit ride, bro. I'm letting it ride. I'm gonna let them ride. And this will probably be the day where we get that stupid reversal. You said what?
You gonna let them ride?
I'm gonna let them ride.
Don't be euphoric.
I'm super euphoric right now. I'm letting them ride, baby.
Well, let's see how much I made total. I took profit kind of at the top, at the high, and then I figured we were gonna pull back. All right, so I made 15K total. But I was up like 16.
Mm-hmm.
I closed out both of them at the top. Would have been like 16. But I kind of figured they were gonna come in and try to take profits and sell off a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
After a run up like that, yeah, you'd be foolish not to.
Uh-huh. Yeah, cause dude, we literally talked about all this crap last night. We was talking about this entire week, but especially last night. And it hit that 680 level perfectly and dropped. So I was like, I don't know if this is gonna be like a pullback. Hopefully they find support here at 550. And we can and we can potentially see a move up to 720. But yeah, that 680 level was definitely going to be a wall for bears or for bulls and a great spot to take profits.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, you know how we do. All right, so
Yes,
that's
made it to 30 in the 30s.
yeah.
35. Okay.
Yeah, I was like, man, I should probably short 30s. But I was thinking probably 40s, 45, 50. Cuz I mean, dude, why do all that? Just I mean, well, yeah. Yeah. Hmm.
Well, 30, around 30 was that level back in the day.
Mm-hmm.
It was a couple weeks ago. I can't remember if it was, I think it was resistance.
Mm-hmm.
So that makes sense to get out around there.
Yeah, I was thinking about taking a quick short, and it looks like I would have been happy if I did. but I didn't want to get in front of this this bull train
Yeah.
and get my feelings hurt. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll see. We'll see if yeah, and this is what I was telling people last night. I keep falling victim to the NQ. I would have been out of this literally at this top right here. But you know how that shit go. You know how it goes. When it's like, oh my God, this thing, she's not stopping. It can keep going. Keep moving your target up. I got my target all the way up to, at 800 now. And this is
That's crazy.
like it can keep going.
Yeah, you know the feeling.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was like, well, the first one I trailed tight. He kept going,
Mm-hmm.
pushed to the high, then pulled back and stopped me out. So I'm pretty much out near the high.
Mm-hmm.
And then the second one, I kind of gave it a little bit of room to just trail, and then yeah, she pulled back.
Yeah. Good morning, Alfred. What's up?
Overall, still a great trade.
Yeah, definitely a great trade, dude. I wouldn't be mad at it. Oh no, was this like an eval or was this in your like a funded account?
No, this is a sim.
Oh,
So there was no emotion attached to it. Yeah. I made sure I put that in the title. This is the sim. But this trade was taken last night. About what time was it? It wasn't right at the open, because that would have been beautiful
mm-hmm.
if I waited for that long entry at 210. But I was watching the charts on my phone and I was like, hold up. This thing looks like a potential good long setup.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's Friday, you know how they like to do. But looking at it, like, yeah, it's going up. And this is what, yeah, it's a 5 minute chart. It's going slightly up. It's like consolidating up
Mm-hmm.
slowly but surely. And then, yeah, we finally get that breakout. That was at 7. And yeah, that was like 300, over 300 points though.
Yeah. All right, so we'll see. I probably might buy closer to VWAP here. I probably might buy it closer to VWAP. Because I mean, yeah, we could see that bounce at the 200 EMA. Honestly, we could see. I mean, we could see. We got this area right here that. I mean, they're already kind of buying it already, but. We did touch a level of where people taking profit, so I want to make sure that I get in nice and low as possible. Get in as low as possible in this move. And I think VWAB will probably be that move. I mean, at this point, there ain't no point even talking to the Think with Bookmap chat about bullishness. I was telling them all yesterday afternoon. It's like, one of your bullish thesis.
Right. I meant to say, I was going to text you. Yeah, the indicator is undefeated. The Think with Bookmap chat indicator is undefeated.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was like, oh, yeah, they're super bearish right now. And I was telling them, I was like, dude, for whatever reason, they're hitting 590 shares. Like they were hitting it all day. And I was like, dude, this thing ain't about to man, I'm kind of like, man, where the NQ at? I mean, if I'm gonna take a long, probably gonna be the NQ ain't, yeah, the NQ dropping. But it is at that level. Mm. It is at the, it is here. Mm. Mm. It is here. It did bounce. Yeah, the one thing about the NQ, if you're trying to catch a falling knife, man, you better make sure you catch the right one. You better make sure you catch the right one. All right. Man. Where are we at? I mean, that can't be right. Hold on, what? That can't be right. Unless that's my competition account or something like that.
This thing is down 120 points from the top. I mean, that seems like a decent enough pullback. It pulled back to this 21 here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to hold, so let's see. Do we get in long for a continuation?
I hope so, because I got my calls that I didn't get out of.
What's your strike price?
So 600 calls on SPY and 630 calls on XBX. I think we should get that. We should. This will be kind of, and wait until it gets to, I don't want to miss it, but it like, dude, it's like literally in that area where we just could see like a straight up bullish engulfing candle. We are in that area. Let's see what it does.
She's trying to break the 21. Just 5 minutes. All my charts are gone. The heck? Yeah, that was a good exit up there. I probably should have cut both of them at the top.
And I'm definitely putting my stop underneath this range. All right, so I mean, let's see if we can get like a run back up here. I'm gonna leave that first target where it's at, so we can at least get paid, just in case this thing continues downward. Okay, at least we can get paid. See that first target right there.
Yeah,
Oh, come on, man. I was about to say, I was like, dude, fill my damn target. Shit. 580. 580 should be my next one. Probably like 575, 72. The next target. 630. Probably like right there. And shit. Well, I mean, we targeted what? Probably like 715. 715.
3%. So what's the next? Yeah, we'll do like a breakout. We'll buy stop up there. See. because that 23% might hold us back.
Mm-hmm.
You got a 23% on yours in the way?
No, they bounced off my 23%.
Okay.
Yeah, it bounced off of mine. Yeah, it bounced off of mine. I'm targeting the golden zone now. Because that's what we all know. It bounces off the 23%, that's where it's going. Or it's highly likely to go. And you should say that. It's not always guaranteed, but if we see a bounce, that's where it's going. Mm.
Oh, you switched to minis?
Blasphemy. I trade minis now. Blasphemy. I've never traded micros. Never.
You should be able to hear me now, Alfred. Should be. I was working out. The settings always change every time I freaking
I do it.
start up a new stream. I don't know. It's just crazy.
I just want that second target at least. ES or Nasdaq. Just be nice to me.
Yeah, I wanted that breakout.
If it pulls back to my break even, I'm gonna add one more. There's no way that the bears, I mean, with this bullish move up, it's highly likely that the bulls are gonna want to at least make an attempt to retest that high.
Yeah, they usually do. They usually try to go. If they don't touch it exactly, they'll get close to it.
Yeah, they'll get close.
Either get close and fail or they break out above it. Those like the only two outcomes, really.
Mm-hmm. Damn, bulls, where you at? Where you at, bulls? Where you at?
They said we did all the work pre-market.
That's what I'm concerned about. No, the job ain't finished. It ain't finished. Job ain't
finished. Job ain't finished. It's like, you not happy? What's there to be happy about? Job's not finished. He was dead serious too. That's why I rock with him.
Mm-hmm.
So to be happy about. You're up. What was he? You're up 2-1, 3-1. Is the job done? Is the job finished?
Yep. They had that Black Mamba mentality.
Disneyland mentality out here.
We didn't cross the finish line, but we're almost there. We're so happy. Like, that's exactly.
We're so happy. Yeah, and then the next person up comes and passes you and steals all your glory.
Yep.
And gets first place. Yeah.
That's happened so many times. I'm surprised people still do it.
Yeah. Job's not finished. So be happy about. Is the job finished?
You're up 3K. Why haven't you taken it? It hasn't hit my profits. Job ain't finished.
Yeah, they ain't hit those targets yet. Job's not finished. You let it come all the way back to zero. Break even. Is the job finished? That's too funny. But yeah, that'll in trading that'll get you caught up though.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
You gotta know when the job's not finished. Gotta know.
Man, these bears are trying to sell it though. I'll give them that. I mean, dude, this is the only time we see like real aggression from bears. Like, and at this point, we're tired of it. We're tired of it. We're tired of your behavior, bears. We only see the aggression when the bulls are trying to get somewhere. But when price gets up there to resistance where we need you, where we need this type of aggression, y'all don't ever show up.
Yeah.
Get out the way.
Kind of crazy.
Yeah. Let the bulls get their retest, man.
So we can see on this 1,000-tick chart, we have this now new forming downtrend. I tried to buy this breakout along this breakout above. Well, I was anticipating that it was going to break out, but 23% is right here. And I figured that might give some trouble. Let me see, because we're doing this off the 5-minute. I mean, 5-minute looks like could potentially, this pattern here looks like it's trying to, bulls are trying to step in around this area.
Mm-hmm.
So that's kind of a good sign.
Man, I should have took that long on freaking ES. I should have took the damn long. It was easier. Damn. It's not crazy. Yeah, like look at the ES. That long from 13 is already up 15 points. That's what we're talking about, baby. That's what we're talking about. There we go. That big green dildo candle up. I can't make more than 4,200 though.
I'm DCAing into it early. Yeah, there we go. I don't even got the tick strike on. I wonder how crazy it was going last night.
Dude. If they had a box for bear tears, that shit would have been Laren.
Collecting bear tears all last night.
Bear tears. No, Nasdaq, no, come back. Please, come back.
At 23%.
Where's it at on your chart?
Well, I drew it from, I mean, I guess that's pre-market, just before the open. So yeah, 682. It's sitting here at 570. 571.
Nasdaq, what was the point of that? What was the point of that?
Yeah. Yeah. But that's on my 2K tick chart.
Damn. Damn. This is why I trade the Nasdaq and the Sim. No. NQ, please don't do this. Don't do it.
They're gonna try to go for a VWAP. They probably are. They might.
Damn. Damn. Damn it. Okay.
Yeah, if they don't hold here, they're gonna at least go for VWAP.
Where's VWAP on your chart?
472.
472.
Looks like it's around there on Thinkle Bookmap.
Mm-hmm. He says, "Thank you, got you gun shy."
If they hold this area with the 21, we should be good. But if they break out, then this is cooked.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, this is the sim for me. That was a good play. I wish I could have taken that in an account that matters, but
yeah,
it's all good. There'll be another play like that for next time.
Mm-hmm. There'll always be another play.
Yeah. It's 5 minutes. See how it's looking on the 1,000. It's not looking too bad here. It looks like it's flattening out. The EMAs are flattening out 1,000 tick.
Mm.
It's a good sign that it's not trying to go down anymore. Maybe we could break out now.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Nice little breakout right here.
Mm-hmm.
They gonna do a cup and handle?
It just needs to hit my target. That's what it needs to do. Let's hit that target pattern.
Let's hit that target pattern. 565. Would you lower it to that? Oh, you put it at the previous high right there.
Yeah, because I can only make $4,200 at the most in these accounts. And right there was like at 35, 36. I was like, well, let me take off it because there's no point, having my targets out because I'll just have to make that money back, or that's the amount of trading I have to do. And what's up, Raven? What's up, Jack? Alpha, you say you lost a couple of accounts. Yeah, I mean, dude, this week for whatever reason, it was just, well, yesterday was challenging for me. I mean, the rest of this week was straight, but yesterday, that shit was crazy yesterday. Go ahead.
Yeah, I guess when you take a step back and you can only watch, man, I had this whole week, I had post-market clarity. Like, I was like, I'm sitting here getting tortured, and then Sharpen's telling me, "Oh yeah, we made this today, we made that," and then I'm looking at the charts. I'm like, "Yeah, okay, I would have went. I'd have took the long here. I'd have took the short there." Bam, bam, bam. I'm like, damn, I could have made so much money on that. And then yesterday, I was like, okay, I see this. I see what they're doing today. The price action is lame. They're doing this trend line sell off mess. Basically in a line, just selling off. I was like, man, I guess when you take a step back like that and you're getting the Kashkari treatment, tortured in the dungeon, can't click the button, can only watch. I was seeing everything. Okay, they failed. They failed that. It looks like they're failing it on the 5 minute. And or are they just testing again? Nah, this is a failure. This is a failure.
Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. I haven't traded you in a while. I know, baby. I know. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah, that's a failure.
Well, you know what we gotta do.
Shoot, they can go for VWAP, they can go for this midpoint, or they can go for this golden zone at 200. That's a lot of points. That's at 100 points from now.
Let's not talk about that. Let's not talk about that. Dude, no way.
They got options, though. They got these options here. Let's see.
Bears is like, job ain't finished.
Job's not finished.
Bears, get out of the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Shit.
They're like, no, it's time for us to eat. It's time. Yeah, he's sloping down too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Hit that target. Hit it. Yeah.
DCA. 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 They didn't have to do that, though. They didn't have to do that. That was unnecessary.
You know how Bears are.
You got all the liquidity that you need. You didn't have to do all that. That's what blows people up. Moves like that.
Yeah. Especially here in the friggin' Nasdaq. Okay, so I'm up 3K. I probably have to take Probably have to take. Okay, so let me move this down because, like I said, I can only make 4,200. Honestly, I should just close it, but that's not how. I don't commit blasphemous acts like that. I don't want to start doing such a bad habit. Closing winning trades and leaving the losers to run. Don't turn into a loser. Come on, baby. Don't make me choose. Just
blasphemous acts. All right, let's look and see what we're doing on these different time periods. Okay, the 200 is creeping up on this 1,000 tick. That's good. Sloping up. We got VWAP that they just missed. They might try to come back. Far away on the 5. Oh, I guess it seems further away because I got it stretched out here.
So I'm up 3,600 right now. You know what, man? You know what? Hit that target and I'll get out. Hit that target for me, baby, and I'll get out. Hit that target. Hit that target, and I'll get out.
I'm watching this 568, 70 area, or 60, 65 to 70, because they don't break out above this, then they'll probably reject it again.
And hit that target and I'll get out, boo. Hit that target and I'll get out. Hit that target and I'll get out. No, you can't hit that target. Hit that target and I'll get out. Man, come on, Nasdaq shit. Damn. Oh my God, dude. Why are you like that?
Don't worry. You got it. Don't worry. You got it.
Like that. All right. Okay. I'm done. I'm done. $3,200. I'm done. I still got this. I still got this. I'm up 540 points, baby. Let's go. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. 500 and well, actually, I'm up more than that because my real entry was here at 210.
Oh, you took the 210 long?
Yeah. Dude, I got in literally at open because I was like, see, I tried to tell the bears on Think with Bookmap that, dude, we touched some heavy demand. Stop shorting. But hey, you don't have to listen to me. I mean, but I get it though. I get it. Nobody wants to hear the bearish thesis when you're in a euphoric short. Nobody wants to hear that shit. Nobody wants to hear that shit. It's like, keep your bearish thesis over there. Nobody wants to hear that shit.
We want to hear that bullish thesis. We gonna be shorting over here. We don't want to hear that.
You want to hear that shit? Yeah, thank you, bro.
So I tried to tell
him. dude, I've been helping out the bears over there at Think with Bookmap chat for like this entire week. Like, yo. Oh, actually, I'm not up 500 points. That's how much money I'm up. My bad. Because I was like, hold on. I was like up like 500 points up here. But I get it, man. I'm not gonna sit here and hate it because when I'm a bear and I'm short and the market is just crashing down, I don't want to hear that shit. I don't want to hear it. Look at this guy with his bearish thesis. Man, block this guy. Ban this guy.
Banned.
Ban this guy.
To the shadow realm. To the shadow realm with you.
All right, let's see where SPY is at because I'm tripping. I ain't even paying attention to where SPY is at or nothing. All right, SPY is at 90. SPY is at 97, almost 98.
To the shadow realm with them. Boom.
Man, look at after I get out the damn position, I could have had it.
TPI hit.
After I get out the damn position.
Oh, they missed my TP. Oh, that's dirty. That's dirty.
Let's see, because that's like a range right there.
550. That's so dirty. Wow.
Honestly, I probably should wait until a pullback right here. I should probably wait for a pullback. because I mean, we are in this range. We could see the bears just randomly. Man,
Nice.
Nasdaq, you are a nasty, nasty instrument. As soon as I get out, that's when she wants to come with the bullishness, man. What's up with that?
You should have just waited for that. Let's see. Yeah, 9 o'clock. All right. I use this as support. Don't go backwards now.
All right.
I'm in 2 now, so we'll put that one here. We'll just keep it break even.
I mean, all right. So I mean, we're being very euphoric, but the ES, we gotta pay attention what the ES is doing. Man. And be very mindful what the ES is doing. Because she's not gonna break out above highs for no reason unless she means it.
Yeah, I got the stop on. Okay, so it looks like I should have been targeting this area for the longs, like 500, 490. Okay, we'll keep that in mind for future instances like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, NQ is behind ES. ES is literally near these highs, and NQ is still lagging in comparison between the two. Boom, boom, boom. It's not enough. We got to 582.
All right. You know, honestly, okay, so I'm in the sim on this one. I want to see if they're going to sell the retest. This is just I want to see what happens trade. Not, let me see if they sell the retest here. I'm looking to see if they sell the retest of this break of structure right here. You see where they broke structure to the downside right here? Well, it looks like they're trying to sell it, at least the bears. So now this is why I'm saying I'm taking it in a sim, because I kind of want to see what happens here. We do got this range of support right here. So even if they do kind of dip back into it, I do think that the bulls will buy it somewhere in this range. But I just want to see what happens here. Full disclaimer.
Yeah. And mine is being trailed, so it's probably going to get stopped out from the looks of it.
Yeah.
And not quite, almost. Boom, stopped out.
All right. Yeah, I'm not even gonna play with these targets. I'm gonna let them hit a little bit. Man, she's playing with that first target, man. She's playing with it. Like, she literally touched it and didn't feel like these prop firms, for whatever reason. Like, dude, like I had a ES trade that it literally touched it and did not feel it in these
Really?
evals. Dude, I was like, yo, what the fuck? And then sometimes sometimes it'll touch it and only feel some of it. And I'm like, why the hell is that even happening? Why am I getting slippage in the sim? All right, so at least we got 2 hit. Let's see if we get that third one hit. I mean, I guess it was a good trade. That's why I guess you trust the charts and not your heart. It was highly likely that they was going to come back in here and sell that retest of that breaker structure down. And that's exactly what they did. I don't think that this is a reversal. I just think this is them selling the retest right here. Actually, let me turn this off. Yeah, you can see that, so I can see it myself. That was them selling a retest right there. But I do think that the bulls will probably come right back in, because usually when we see big moves up like that, bulls are buying the pullback for sure. For sure. And oh, there goes that third target. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can get that last target hit. Let's see. I mean, it turned into a great trade. A great trade. All right. I probably might have to get out of this one because now it's gonna probably go long here. Because the job on the net on the ES ain't finished. You said what?
I said that was a good call out.
Yeah. All right.
Job ain't finished. All right. The first TP hit. Again, now I should have waited to the 50 probably for that long entry.
I mean, it's kind of somewhat difficult to determine what side the market really wants to go on today for whatever reason. I mean, obviously it's going up, but
you don't want to get caught in the any of the consolidation, the back and forth consolidation I was trying to do before
it makes the real move.
To break out. Yeah. Let me see. What's it looking like? Okay, so 5 minute we had R5 on the 5 minute at 21,646. Now it broke out of that, but it didn't extend past. So that's good. I mean, with these pivot points, you kind of get an idea for how far it's gonna really go, or you get an idea for a good area to maybe reverse.
Yeah.
So 621, 64. What did I say? 645. And then it made it to, I mean, 40 points. That's a lot on Nasdaq, but you get the idea. Like, it's not gonna extend too much further over that, especially on R5.
Yeah. Let me look at my calls. I don't know if they're trying to kill premium right now, but yeah, my calls are kind of dead right now. Or they lost a lot of value. My XPX calls. I mean, I'm still up $45 on them, but I think the market makers are going to probably try to chop price as much as possible. And then probably like towards the end of the day, run it up. But I mean, like my only concern is that it hit that level at 680. Again, that level at 680 right here is the retest of this level right here that we drawn out literally last week or at the beginning of this week. It hit it. And we're seeing that rejection. I mean, it touched it perfectly. I mean, you can't get any more perfect than that. It touched it perfectly. I mean, if we do see a run up, we'll probably see a run. I think 720 will probably be the target for today. 720, 717, if we see a move up from here. But the EMAs are flattening out. So we could see more pullback, but
yeah, I mean the bulls they seem to be struggling to break out of this. bears are like, no, we at least want VWAP. They keep failing to get it.
Mm-hmm.
At least on my chart. Let me see.
Hold on real quick. Give me a second.
Really,
Give me a second.
I was going to target 570 here and then leave a runner for the breakout. But now it looks like, oh, shoot. So put that stop there. Okay, that one was stopped out. And now we will move. Yeah, let's do 590. If we get that breakout, do 590.
Yeah, it's just this lack of follow through that has me concerned. I do want to get back in long here. It's just a lack of follow through.
Yeah. Stop at break even, which is, hold on, let's give it a little bit of room. All right. That's like what?
Damn, Bulls, where you at?
Got like a 14, 15 point stop. Trail.
Oh yeah, let's look at ES real quick because honestly, we're watching the wrong instrument when it starts to chop. The Nasdaq is not the right instrument to be watching. She'll sit there and lie to you with momentum. ES, she don't have momentum like that. That's why you really shouldn't be tricked with the ES, honestly.
All right, stopped out on that. Stopped out, and then she goes, "Ain't that a beat?"
She actually she pushed.
Oh, she just pushed back up to where she's trying to break out at, but she did stop me out first.
So
yeah, this is kind of dangerous. I mean, to me, it looks like it wants to break out to go higher, but it is kind of dangerous. Obviously, if this was a real account for me, I'd have been stopped. I'd have been done for the day. But it's the sim, baby, so we can have fun in this.
Never leave a heater. Never leave when you're on a heater.
Never leave when you're on a heater. Yeah, it's the ES holding. And the ES is already near its highs, so and if the ES is holding NQ back, then you know what I'm saying, like how much more can the NQ go higher?
Yeah, that's why you always watch the ES when the Nasdaq is doing this. I saw something. Okay, so this is why it's very important not to take in information that does not make sense. I saw somebody in the Think with Bookmap chat says, I even see people use the ES to take their Nasdaq trades. I'll sit here and tell you from personal experience that taking your trades based off the ES will be more profitable in the long run. If ES is at support, the Nasdaq, if it's not at support, is going to be getting there, and vice versa. If the ES doesn't go, the Nasdaq won't go. Now, there's some times where they do, they're not correlated, but dude, 9 times out of 10, they're correlated. 9 times out of 10, they're correlated.
Highly, highly correlated.
Mm-hmm. So if you think you're about to get a breakout and the ES is not ready for a breakout, the Nasdaq will probably break out, trap all the bulls, and fail right back into that trading range. Using both of these instruments together to make your trading decisions is very, very profitable, and it is the right and correct way to trade them. I mean, how many times have y'all seen on stream that I've taken trades on the Nasdaq based on what the ES is doing? All the time. So it works. Don't let somebody in the chat tell you either. Let somebody tell you in the chat that it don't. It works.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy.
I was like, dude, and it was serious too. I'm surprised. Well, I was like, all right. I mean, I'm not gonna argue with the guy and tell him that no, you're wrong in the chat, but nah.
I love blocking people like you.
Oh, real sassy blocking me too. Yeah, if anybody doesn't know the backstory, I was telling this guy that he was wrong and he blocked me. And sure enough, exactly what I said happened. I was like, all right, you can block me. That's fine, but it's your money. You're going to be wrong. So it's your money. You see that?
Baby.
You see that? You see that? You see that? The ES wasn't ready to break out, so the Nasdaq is not going to break out. Simple.
Oh wow! They keep failing to get to VWAP though. That's crazy.
Mm-hmm. I mean, the job ain't finished, man. SPY ain't hit 600. Job ain't finished. Job ain't finished.
Job's not finished. Is the job finished? No.
Mm-hmm. And dude, he was wrong. And he didn't unblock me when he was wrong. And that's just how I know.
He didn't say sorry.
I mean, I get it though. Nobody wants to hear your thesis when you're, I mean, it was, I forgot when it was. I was like, dude, hey, pay attention to, it was like 365. It was like, if it touches 365 and bounces, we're going to moon. And then he was like, oh, blah, blah. I hate when people come in this chat and blah, 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 blah. I was like, all right, it's your money, man. Keep shorting. Shit, you don't have to listen to me. I'm just a guy in the chat. You don't have to listen to me. But listen to your account when you hear that ding. Because I know bears are going to hold it, man. I know it. So, I mean, all right.
Listen to your account when you hear that ding. Every trader's worst nightmare.
Mm-hmm. Dude, I'm waiting for this thing to hit this 200 EMA. All right, go ahead.
Traders hate it when they hear this.
Prop firms love it.
Ding. You need more liquidity, my guy.
Dude, if the bears don't hold this, man, I should have shorted that, man. All right, man. I should have just paid attention. I should have shorted because I was thinking about shorting 30, but I was like, man, that's going to probably be too easy on the ES. But
thing is, they keep taking it into this area. This is looking like a solid demand area as of right now.
Yeah, and then we got to remember that today is OPEC, so we probably might get this chop until a lot of these contracts expire and a lot of these people get out of their contracts. And then probably like at 1 o'clock, we'll probably see, you know, that run.
Yeah.
Well, the 200 in VWAP is at 614, around 614 on the ES. And if it touches that, it's highly likely that we'll see that bounce. When the ES is ready to run, the market will run. But if we get a break below this little line right here, all right, so we getting some dark pool activity. Ah, shit, they're probably selling this shit now. They're probably selling it. We're seeing a lot of people. We're seeing a lot of dark pool at 596, and I highly doubt that they're buying these highs. So I highly doubt it.
All right, first TP at VWAP hit. I'm gonna put the stop break even. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, dang. Never mind. All right, I'm all out.
Damn.
Wow.
Every time when I hold the damn calls, they never run, man. What's up with that, man? What's up with that?
Break below this could mean unfinished business.
Mm-hmm.
Shoot, oh man, you could possibly get down here to. I don't even want to say it.
633. It's probably a fake
That's
out, bro.
nasty work.
You said what?
I said that would be nasty work on the AQ.
Mm-hmm.
To give all that up, and they've been doing lately. They've been giving up
using your buzzwords.
market.
But I'm gonna digress. I'm gonna get off my soapbox.
Buzzwords.
Oh,
That's how
hold on.
you
No,
know
that's a.
Soapbox.
I mean, did I was. Hold on. Did you in your stream or something?
No.
Okay. No, that was for some reason YouTube jumped me to an old stream and we was talking. That was an old conversation. That wasn't me. That was past me. But my bad. Go ahead.
I'm just saying the bulls have been coming strong in the pre-market, which is good.
Mm-hmm.
They've been doing at least the past 2 days. Got these crazy run-ups,
Yeah.
and then the Bears take back control. Like yesterday, they gave up all that move.
All right, man. So this could be the run up right here, man. I was literally waiting for VWAP. Yeah, this could be the run back up.
Hopefully, I'm done playing it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, all right. All right, never mind. I missed it. Shit. Oh man. Oh my god, dude. No, man. Oh man. No, that's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. Damn, dude. Hey, come on, Bulls. Y'all couldn't touch VWAP?
I think we might be up here, bro, dude.
All right, man. Well, we got they missed VWAP, but they bounced off the 200 EMA. But they missed VWAP. All right, so I guess now, if this is a range that they've established, I had to wait for a breakout and to buy it at 228. All right, what account is that, man? What account is that? 127. All right, man. Hey, what's up, Mohammed? What's up? Oh, so Pop, I was looking at the ES chart at the time. It missed VWAP on ES at the time. Like it literally missed it by 17. It missed it by like a point. Unfortunately for my position.
So what you got? You said they're holding a range or forming a range.
Yeah.
How'd you do today, Mohammed? Made 17 million.
That sounds about right.
Made a 100x what I made.
I hate this so much. I'm in the wrong fucking account, man. Damn, I got into the wrong account and I made all that fucking money in the wrong account. Hold on.
Oh, which account?
I made made all that money in the wrong account, man. Shit. That's like, and that's all I needed right there to pass the account. All right, man.
Where's my pickle?
I think Mom is making it for you. I'm gonna go down there with her.
Yeah.
Of course, I traded in the wrong freaking account. Of course. All right, so I gotta keep this shit tight. I gotta keep it tight.
Yeah,
Just in case it drops. All right.
Oh, no trades. That's kind of blasphemy, Mohammed, but I understand. I was forced not to be able to trade this whole week. I'll sit here at work with a locked down laptop. Can't even.
Oh, you can't do nothing on it? They blocked everything?
No, nah, yeah, you can't do anything on it. And with this is surprising. Like they don't have me set up for the connection. I guess my desk is the only one like missing the connection, so I had to try to use their Wi-Fi, their work Wi-Fi, which is trash. I mean, you thought it was bad when I was overseas. Nah, this is terrible. Yesterday I couldn't even connect at all.
Damn, for real.
And I kept trying all day. Usually it'll get me on for a couple hours before crapping out, but nah, I couldn't even get on. So I was just chilling, watching the charts from my phone.
Can't use the hotspot from your phone? Come on, NQ. Don't be nasty to me. Don't be nasty to me, NQ. I can't play.
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty much done.
That was in your real account or your eval?
So it's all in the sum.
You have one of the moment money. Mother needs to eat.
Okay. All right. It looks like she's not gonna be nice to me here. Or all right, maybe I spoke too soon. NQ. I made a mistake earlier. That's what I needed, baby. Please, 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 don't do it. 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 I need that. I need it. I need it. Please, no, no.
Whoa.
Oh, no.
Well, we failed to break out above that 23, man. That thing was holding. Hopefully you get that breakout now.
Dude, hopefully it hits my targets, dude. I need it. No, NQ.
I'm saying that's it's at 71, but anywhere near it is kind of like a magnet of resistance. Might want to push it down just a little bit, sacrifice a couple points.
And Q. Don't do
Unless
it.
she finally breaks out. I mean, this has been, like you said, it's been ranging, and this looks like good demand here
Mm-hmm.
around this VWAP zone. But I mean, we want to see this freaking break above 570. The Bears have been doing a great job of keeping it
Yeah.
below.
Mm-hmm. Dude, come on.
17-8. No losses. Let's see. Largest winning trade, 8K. That's too funny. And only $56 in fees and commissions. That is a great day.
Yeah. Congratulations, bro.
Well,
Yeah, I mean, dude, it's in the
Coach
sim,
Joey.
but I mean the performance,
Yeah.
man. You gotta congratulate yourself on just being able to perform like that, even if it is in the sim.
Yeah, the emotions aren't there, but yeah, I know what you mean. See, this is Holt, man.
Man,
This is
God.
dangerous with the Nasdaq.
All right, I gotta leave my stop right there, man. I only got $1,200 to draw down. I can't let this thing play around with me.
You ain't want to take it. I don't think it's
Dude,
gonna break out.
it missed me, dude. It missed me. Like it literally missed me, man.
Oh, I was gonna say you didn't want to take the trade on the ES.
Nah, I missed it on the ES. I was trying to, but I missed it. Damn.
But then I looked up at the ES chart and it's basically playing around.
Just stand right here.
Damn. Damn.
Yeah, I
Oh
need to check
man, it was
that
there
out.
too. Nasdaq, why are you such a bitch? Ah, God damn. It was right there. Why? All she needed to do was hit my target and I would have been done. Why did you do? Why are you like this?
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Yeah, it is, bro.
And that'd be real messed up if she breaks out right now.
Yeah, it would be. But
ES looks like it's ready to go. No. Nasty.
I got
ES is looking
$800.
solid.
Okay.
ES is looking solid. Oh no. And look at Nasdaq follow. ES is looking solid for a breakout.
Nasdaq, it's not that I hate you. It's just that sometimes I can really hate you. All right. Because you just be doing stuff, man. And it be for no reason.
Yeah. That previous candle on ES was solid. It was only 3.5 points, but still, it was. That's what got us here on NQ to get right back to this 23. And now, if this ES candle can push, then we finally break out of this. Well, this 23 has been holding though.
All right. That target. Bam. Damn. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Passed. So this is what I did today, guys. Shit, I'm up. Man, I'm like super up, dude. Super up. Super up. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I'm done. Passed. Passed. Passed.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yeah, oh, so you saying they're not gonna let it break 600? Muhammad, please don't say that and mean it. Cause I got my, man, I got my, so I got some spy calls from yesterday. They're probably worth nothing, but cause all this volatility dropped. But, I got some 600 calls. Don't tell me they ain't trying to push it past it. He said, no way, it says no way they're not gonna let it push past it. Well, I got 600 calls. I mean, they're up. I bought these at $6. So what is that? 6, 8. That's 324. So about 400% right now they're up. We'll see. We'll see. All right, passed. That's all I wanted to do with that account. I just wanted to pass it. I wanted to take it on the ES. So my plan with this account was that I wanted to get in that VWAP on ES so I can ride it up for an easy time. But I had to get, because I missed it and it missed the damn VWAP like by a point. And once I saw that it moved up, I knew it wasn't going to come back. So I was like, well, I'm going to have to take the risk on the Nasdaq, even though the Nasdaq is super choppy and I don't have drawdown on this thing. I have like $1,200 worth of drawdown on this. So, I mean, I had 2 or 3 minis on. I mean, one wrong move and that's the whole account. That's the drawdown right there. So I was like, shit. I'm just glad it worked out. She missed my target the first time. If she hit my target, I would have been passed, but then I had to make an extra $300 to make up for that loss. So I'm glad it all worked out. I'm done. I don't need to trade no more. Let's go in the sim so I don't make a mistake. Let's actually make sure I got I don't got no lingering orders anywhere real quick. Cancel all orders real quick. Yeah, all right. So I got all the orders canceled on all my accounts. Let's go in the sim and we can have some fun. We can have fun. Damn. So it says if it breaks 600, then market makers have to hedge, and I can calculate it, and you'll see the madness. So above 600, it squeezes, huh? Yeah, Alfred. Yeah, I was trying to get in at the bottom of that range, but I think y'all see why I try to only trade the Nasdaq and the sim, because I go straight to gambling. I don't know why. I don't know what it is about the Nasdaq where I just say fuck everything else and just start gambling. But this is why. This is why. This time it worked out, but that could have been worse. Or yeah, it worked out. So I'm just going to focus on that. It worked out. Damn, 196,000 cons. Dang. Yeah, that shit's gonna super squeeze. Like, I mean, shit, they're holding it. So we know that liquidity is on both sides now. I think it's whoever breaks out first. The liquidity is on both sides. We'll definitely see a squeeze. The money's on both sides. Well, hopefully, Mohammed, hopefully they do break out. Hopefully they do. Because I want my calls to get to like $50. Or actually, I want my calls to go to be in the money. I might actually take off. Actually, no, because this morning I lost $16 of value because I think the high of these contracts was like 36. And I was just kind of too slow to close it. Yeah, I think they're gonna probably chop this thing until 12 o'clock. And that's probably when we'll see a move. You said they're buying on like crazy, man. Hopefully they keep buying, man. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the market makers need to get the hell out the way. That's what they need to do. And let my calls print. And then once they print, they can do whatever the hell they want after that. Shit. Let my calls be great. I was fighting myself all yesterday about buying these calls because instinctively I wanted to buy puts. But I was looking at all the structure yesterday. I was looking at the flow. I was looking at everything because this is what I saw yesterday. They was hitting, or I guess they don't have it anymore. Maybe I'll start taking screenshots. But all yesterday they were hitting 591, 591, 591, and 591 was at the highs. And I was like, you know, those could be sells because at least on SPY, we was at that area. We was at that area of resistance at 591. We was at that area yesterday. You can see that the market was downtrending. It was getting rejected at that trend line right there. And I was like, nah, that's too easy. I mean, this thing looks like a straight up short. People was going to short this thing because we saw that rejection at that trend line. And so I was like, you know what? Against my bearish instincts, I'm going to buy calls. Because the job ain't finished. But then I was thinking, I was like, well, if they do sell this thing, because I was debating if I should buy 585 puts or 600 calls. You said 591. So what are they doing at 591? He says, yeah, but you know how that goes, Mohammed. I just don't like, okay, so I know that selling options, the money is almost guaranteed. We're not going to say that it is, but I just don't like that. Okay, so let's actually look at this because like I said before, I grew a $500 account to 6K selling options. It's just that the one thing that I didn't like when I was selling options was that if I lost one time, I would have to roll and add more money to the position, or I'm losing more than I can make, even though you can make the money consistently. I mean, you can. Especially if you're getting at an area of support and just let the contracts lose premium, and it's easy money. But like right here, if I buy this at the money right now, I'm risking $300 to make 190. Now, it's like I said, it's guaranteed as long as price stays above my my short strike. As long as it stays above it, the premium will run out. But I'm risking $300. And every time when I would trade 0 DTE, XBX, so actually let's look at the 0 DTEs. Let's actually look at today. Let's look at today because that's next week. Let's look at today. Let me see if it'll let me do it. It probably won't, but yeah, I'm risking $345 to make 150. And I'm damn near at the money. I'm literally at the money right now. I mean, in order for this to work out, I would actually have to get deep in the money for me to make 300, but then I'm gonna have to have price close above my short strike in order to get this. So the more that you move up, the more that you can make, the profitability of profit goes down versus if I move this down, the probability of profit goes up. But then I could potentially lose $300 just to make 145. Now I can play. I know the strike is unlikely to get down here, but I'm making $70, risking 430. But then my probability of profit goes up. So I just got tired of the stress. And I just started buying them. And then once I got addicted to buying options, I just never went back to selling them. I like the idea of me just buying $10 calls or $10 puts, have price trade into the money, and those $10 calls turn to $1 or something like that. I like trading that way. So ever since I started trading that way, I just never went back to selling calls or selling options, even though it's more consistent than buying them. It's way more consistent. Yeah. Yeah, it is because I mean, and then if you don't have the 25K in your account, and believe me, I would never put 25K into any trading account. I had to not only did I have to battle against potentially losing $300 to make 100. If price came back on you, you know they got that stupid PDT rule, and you can only do that 3 times. So it was like, not only do I have to pay attention to price all day until 12 o'clock. That's when the premium starts to decrease. Even if price comes back to my strike and go below it, depending on the premium at that time and what time of day, I can still be in profit. So it's really hard to lose money selling options. But if you're on the wrong side of selling options, well, that's how you'll start losing that money. And SPY is not open 24 hours. So sometimes SPY likes to do shit overnight and then gap up. So if it gaps up and you want to sell options, it can potentially come right back down, and then your position is underwater. And then you have to either close the position or roll it. So it's like, it was just a lot. And that's why I just stopped. But I think we get into 600 though. We should get to 600. Hopefully, Muhammad, they don't, they'll probably reject it at 600 or something, because we're at 98. We're at 98. It looks like the Nasdaq is going to finally break out of this thing. The ES has already did it, I think. Yeah, the ES is already broken out. The ES is broken out already, but yeah. You said the spread takes away some stress. Yeah, but then it also takes away your profit too. So it's like, or I don't know when Griff can trade. I don't know when you join, but yeah, we're talking about selling credit spreads and selling option premium. All right, Jack. Have a good day. I think if the ES can keep moving, we can get all the way up here to 650 on the ES. Seriously. If the ES can keep moving, I was looking at 645. We can possibly see 647 above these highs. 647 is what I'm looking for. 647, 649. You know they're going to front run that 50 level if it gets there. Shit, the Nasdaq is underperforming while the ES is flying. Isn't that some crazy shit? The ES is literally flying right now.
Yeah, I was getting ready to say, like, this is nasty work. We literally have not left this this area while ES is pushing new highs.
So Muhammad says 598 is the next big calls, but 600 is madness. Yo, dude, Dude, hey, Muhammad, put it into manifest it. Say, hey, go to 600, go to 601, go to 603. Just keep pumping. Just keep buying them calls. I just want my XBX calls to hit. That's what I want. Yeah. I want my XBX calls to hit. I mean, they was up at the highs. I could have closed it at 130, but you know, I figured the day was gonna run. It wasn't at 600 yet, so the job wasn't finished. Hopefully, I don't have to pay for that. I mean, I'm up 50% right now on these calls, but I was up 400%. So, yeah, hopefully this thing keeps going. He said is underperforming because of Qs. Now let's actually look at Qs real quick. Let's actually look at the let's see what they're doing at Qs. Yeah, it just seems like the Qs is just, I don't know, it's just so inconsistent. It's just so inconsistent on Qs. One day it pops up and outperforms the SPY and everything else, and then it just, the next day is lackluster. I mean, are you seeing orders at 525? Yeah, because it looks like people are looking for 524 on the Qs. It's like they're looking for 524 at least. He said only look at the big options. Oh yeah, let's look at Nvidia. Have you Smith, have you looked at Nvidia? Is Nvidia part of this or no?
Man, I ain't looking at it. I did check it, but I was so disappointed in it that I was just like, you know what? Get off. You're banned. Get off my charts. Talk about underperforming. I should have been in Tesla.
Yeah.
Dang.
Let's actually look at
Netflix.
Netflix is running?
Netflix is up $13 right now, almost 14.
Why? Squid Games came out like what, 2 weeks ago. Why? I'm probably buying puts at the end of the day. I'm buying puts. Yo, look at the premium on Netflix. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, why the fuck is, well, my bad. Why is Netflix so expensive to buy? Dude, you're not touching $10 on Netflix until $1,200. You already know you're not, you know Netflix ain't about to touch this. That's expensive, man. Why is Netflix so expensive? Tesla. Let's actually look at the 0 DTEs for Tesla. You said what?
Meta, I said Tesla's back. Meta was going crazy. Was it yesterday? Or the day before? But now it's kind of lackluster today.
We finally got that
Netflix
breakout.
Yeah, man. All the money is going into Netflix and Tesla.
I wonder why Netflix. Like, dude, I mean, it's not like they announced season 3 of Alice in Borderland or something.
Yeah.
Yo, I would say this, man. Yo, the Koreans, man, they taking over pop and they taking over drama. Man, they got the best pops and they got the best dramas. My favorite dramas are all Korean.
Yeah. They do make some good movies.
Dude, like their movies are fucking awesome. Like, why can't we make good movies like that anymore?
Train to Busan was good. That's an instrument.
Yo, congratulations on that Gameway. Gameway says he made 82,000 today.
Yeah, congrats, bro.
Congrats.
Why not go for 100? No. Make it an even 100. It's only 20 more K. Nah, that's funny. Nah, that's what's up though. Congrats.
I'm happy for you.
It should have been me.
You saw the anime solo leveling? Mm. Yeah, yeah. Japanese definitely got all the best anime. Koreans got the dramas. All right, break out, baby. Break out. We need to see 600. The job ain't finished. The job ain't finished. We need to see 600. So this is what I'm gonna do with these calls, because we're getting close to expiry, and if these things ain't in the money, then so I'm gonna close one now to get my money back. I'm actually close 2 of these to get my money back. You already know I'm about to. I ain't gonna close that XBX.
Yeah, NQ is not even moving, which is crazy. What's holding them back? Is that the Qs? What's the Qs doing right now?
Oh, dude, no way.
Well, the Qs are already up. Hey,
Come on. Hey, gain weight. I need $1. I need $1. You got $1. Let me hold it until tomorrow. All right. Hey, gain weight. Man, I've been having problems with my roof, and I just don't know what I need. My back's been hurting. My roof, it needs fixing. I just don't know who else to turn to. But yeah, so I was having this imaginary conversation with my kids, trying to teach them how to be financially stable and fit and what comes with that. And one of the things that I was imagining telling them as they get older is that once people see you as the breadwinner, once people, for whatever reason, when you make money, they say, damn, that's our money. For whatever reason. I don't know why, but they feel that your money is theirs. And that whenever they have problems, they come to you and they have entitlement to the money that you made. So during this imaginary conversation with them, I prepared them that, yeah, success comes with a lot. You're going to get hurt by the people that you care about the most. Moms, dad, people that are not financially stable themselves. Once you become it, they're going to hit you with, man, I took care of you. Remember when I did this for you? Remember when I did that for you? I need help. Blah, blah, blah. And I told them that, guess what? When you're a child and there's adult, that's their responsibility. You don't have to owe anybody anything unless that's what you want to do. They're not entitled to anything that you've earned unless that's what you want to do. And if that's what you want to do, you need to understand that you're not getting that money back. And you need to also understand that they're going to keep coming. You'll be their problem solver. So that's the thing, that when it comes with success, unfortunately, you have to protect yourself against the people that you care about the most, because they're going to be the ones that's going to hurt you. And I hopefully, and after this imaginary conversation with my kids when they were older, I would hope that this wouldn't be something that they would have trouble with, because I certainly don't have trouble with it. I don't think my mom would ever do it, but I mean, obviously I would always want to help my mom, but she ever hit me with entitlement? I was like, all right, mom, I love you, but no. Shit, no. No. Brother? No, I'm gonna help my brother. My brother's been there for me a lot. And he ain't have to do it. It's just the whole point of that is that you just have to create boundaries and don't let people cross that boundaries without attacking them. because as soon as they cross boundaries and you don't attack them and you don't protect that boundary, they'll just walk right into it. Don't care. And then you tell them no, they getting mad at you talking about, I'm not going to talk to you no more. Like, all right, shit. You ain't going to talk to me. You still ain't getting no money. So, yeah, hopefully that's the one thing, one of the big things, setting boundaries, having self-respect, understanding human nature. That's the main thing I want to pass on to my kids. And I hope, and hopefully they embody it. Now, if my kids become entitled, they'll get cut off for sure. Cut off completely. I'm not here to play the game for you. I've seen too many times. The world is full of examples of parents playing the game for their kids. Kids never grow up. They never grow into maturity. They never take a self accountability because they know that if they get in trouble, they can run to mom, they can run to dad, and they don't have to play the game themselves because their parents are playing it for them. Even though that's what we kind of want to do as parents, I know better. My kids are playing the game for themselves. I'm only here to guide them through it. That's it. That's it. Especially my little daughter. She think that she owns the world. Like, why do you think that? Like, why?
I'm just sitting here dying laughing. He said, so you still not getting no money? You don't gotta talk to me. That was so funny. It's sad but true.
Yeah, unfortunately. Yeah. He says someone is fighting market makers on ES. Yeah, they need to. Let me hold something. Let me hold it until tomorrow, and tomorrow never comes. It's like, yeah, I'm gonna get back to you. I'm gonna get back. Gotta sit there and start parking watching people. You give them $20 and then you see them on social media buying all kind of shit. Like, damn, where my $20 at? It's like, don't you owe me $20? But on some real shit though. Oh, go ahead.
They trying to hold these calls back.
Yeah, I know, man. Like, they ain't trying to let my calls be great right now.
That's the
Bastards.
tedious work. Yeah. Any other time NQ would be running.
Yeah.
ES all at breaking highs. I'm not about to say all time, but breaking the highs.
Shit,
NQ should be up there.
Yeah, dude, that's crazy. Like, it's absolutely crazy. But I mean, the ES is getting to that level though. Before I might have to close these XBX calls, man. I might have to close them because it looks like, I mean, it feels like, I mean, XBX is still going up, man. CS is still going up. But for those that are dealing with this type of stuff, friends, family, somebody, the one thing that you should always say to that person, to your loved one, is that if you respect the relationship that we have, if you value the relationship that we have, please don't put me in a position to lose that relationship. Get them to think about what they're willing to lose, because a lot of people like to borrow money and then they try to duck you. And if it's in your heart to give it to them, make sure you allow them to know that, hey, I'm counting on you. This is going to cost the relationship. Is it worth it? And that lets you know that if they don't, they start ducking you, they don't pay you back, you don't ever have to deal with them ever again. They'll never come back. Never. And that's what you should want. You paid them $20 for them to never ask you for money ever again. They'll leech off somebody else. And that shows you that they never really truly valued the relationship in the first place. They only value what they can take from you. Set them boundaries, people. Set them. Give me a second.
fine. It's the tissue. I think it's sitting there with snot.
Rabbit crispy.
Blah, 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 blah.
All right.
Good job. Yes, much better.
We $2 away, baby. Come on. Come on. You see all that green on the tick strike. Come on, baby. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Keep pumping. Yo, the Nasdaq is literally still in this freaking range, dude. What's going on right now, dude?
Put that up by your nose.
All right, let's see if we can get a breakout here. A breakout above that high. Shit, SPY ain't at 600. Job ain't finished. You know, honestly, I think they're gonna probably pull some bullshit with SPY. So Muhammad says that if it gets above 600, then the market makers is gonna throw in 196,000 contracts, and then we'll definitely have to see a squeeze for that. Mm.
Hold me back. Hold me back. Hold it. Keep back. She ain't done nothing.
Damn, ES dropped. Yeah, I mean, ES is getting at that level, man. ES is getting at that level. It's getting dangerously close to it, man. Let me actually look at long-term puts. I think so. I'm going to look at the inauguration is the 24th. The market is going to close early. I'm going to look at, and this ain't financial advice, so I'm going to look at some puts for next week. I'm looking at some puts. It's not financial advice. And so the puts for next week, I want to buy. Okay, so let's look at that. Let's look at some XBX calls because I don't think we run. I think once we get to that high, we're going to probably see that drop. And once we get to these highs, I think we're going to see a drop. Or this could be the start of the Trump pump. I mean, it's either or. I just know that if we get above 608, man, we squeezing. I mean, so, hey, what do you think, Smith? We got to break out of that trend line. But technically, oh shit, Muhammad, what do you think? We see higher prices or what? I mean, the question is, will this area right here will this area act as resistance? I think it does. I think it does. I think 603 might be the target. I think 603 might be the target. I think when price gets to 603, because Muhammad says above 600, the market makers don't want to go above 600. But we got this block of sell liquidity right here. We got this nasty bullish engulfing candle, or my bad, bearish engulfing candle right here that confirms this area to be supply. So I think if price trades into 603, possibly somewhere in this range, we could potentially see that move back down. We got FOMC on the 30th. We have the Trump on the 20th. So we have two highly volatile moves. Hold on, my daughter's throwing a fit. God damn. All right. Anyway. So, I mean, this right here, this area right here is definitely going to be some supply. I don't think, I mean, it doesn't look like this candle right here is set up for a reversal. It's set up for a continuation. I mean, we got a gap up right here from here. So that's obviously bullish. There's nothing bearish about that. There's nothing bearish about that. So, I mean, at least we see at least 600, 603. Now, if I start seeing the flow come in of these institutions selling in that area, I don't think they're going to be buying anywhere in this area. I don't think there's going to be too much buying in this area. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. XBX, let's look at that because I really want to get some XBX puts, not no SPY. I mean, the same thing with XBX, obviously. I mean, if SPY don't move, XBX ain't gonna move. And it's the same thing. I mean, at least to fill that gap, at least to fill. I mean, I guess I'll wait until it gets closer to a volatile event. I'll wait until like closer to FOMC, closer to well, the inauguration is literally in the next 3 days. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with the on Monday. We'll see. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. Yeah, I think so too, Mohammed, and I also think so too, Griff can trade. Yeah, yeah. There's definitely a lot. We got 2 Mohammeds in the chat. Awad. Okay, so if we accept, yeah, we was actually looking at that. If we can get above this, I mean, if we see the rejection here, then I do think that yeah, we'll definitely be going down. Probably back down to 15, back down to these EMAs, back down to levels of support. But 45 is definitely going to be that level that ES needs to get above and hold if we want to see continuation. There's a strong high at 68 right here. And if we can get a close above this 68, then I won't be bearish anymore. I'll be bullish. If we get a close above 68, that will literally be an official. It will be a price breaking out of this downtrend, and this will be a higher high and a higher low. But we need to close above 668, which I doubt. But if we do, that's what I'm looking for. And the same thing with the Nasdaq. If this thing can break above 680, and I think that's probably why the Nasdaq is being held back, because I really don't think that they really want to get above 800. But if we can get above 900 on the ES, I mean, my bad, on the Nasdaq, because we've already officially broken out of the smaller downward trend But the overall downward trend, we're still in. We're still in it. We're still making higher lows or lower highs. So we would need this to break that above that to break that overall downward trend. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I think, yeah, I was just about to say my position should be good. Keep on pushing. You said that 6,017 cons on calls. Like you said, I'm gonna let these ride. I'm gonna let these calls ride. Yeah, about a ton. Yeah, it's getting close though.
Dang, SPY at 98.45.
98.45. Let's look at these SPY calls. Okay, I think I need to close them. I think I need to, because I mean, I'll probably close one. I'll probably leave one to run, but we'll see. We're almost there. So Muhammad A said, I'm already in long, being careful up to, yeah, dude, I think that's what these market makers trying to do, man. Anybody that knows how to play this option game knows that after 12, 1 o'clock, that's when the premium starts to accelerate and starts to decrease. If they're buying calls and obviously they expire today, that's when that premium is going to start running out at 12 o'clock, and people's going to have to be forced to close and sell out of their positions. So we could see a sell off at 12 or 1. We'll see. Right now, that's only an assumption, obviously, but it's highly likely to happen. I mean, we're getting some flow. I mean, we're getting some calls. I mean, yeah, just like Mohammed said, man, they buying it. People are starting to buy a little bit of puts though. I mean, let's kind of see let's see what they're gonna do long term. I kind of want to see what they do after the 20th. That's kind of what I want to see. So let's see. Well, actually, I'm gonna probably do it to like the 3rd, because I want to see what they do. So I want to see what they do on the 20th to the 3rd for FOMC. Okay. That's so damn complicated. All right. Yo, okay. Yeah, they're sweeping puts. All right. So they got 5. So they've been sweeping puts today, and they got them long dated puts until the 20th, 23rd. They got puts for next week. They got puts. Let me see if they put some real money into these. Let's see. Put some real money into this. So they got 124 puts, 597s. All right, so we got that first target hit. I mean, that should be no surprise to nobody. Let's see if we can let this thing run a little bit. Yeah, let's see. Let's let it run. Let's let it run, baby. Let's let it run. Girl, if you don't hit that damn target. Anyway, all right. Yo, it always stops at that target, yo. It always does that crap. Yeah, Gameway. Actually, I was thinking that too. I was actually thinking that too. Actually, that's exactly where I got my target at, believe it or not. That's exactly where I got my target. At actually I moved it up. But we'll see. So I'm up about 370 points in this move right now. Yeah, I should have added some more to this same thing. Should have added it. All right, so my 600 calls is about to be in the money. It's $1 more. All right, I'm gonna close one of these. I'm closing one. I'm getting my money. I'm getting my money back. I literally 9x that. I bought these at $6 and I'm selling them at 45. So I'm definitely gonna sell that. All right. All right, so my XBX calls are back up. Should I close it? Man, should I close it? All right, so this is what I'll do with these. I bought these XBX calls at $25. So they're super up right now. I'm gonna cry if this thing goes into the money and I close it now. You know what? I'm not gonna be greedy. 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 It was at 55. All right, I'm not gonna be greedy on this. No. I'm not gonna be greedy. Because this thing is getting really close to and yeah, Mohammed, this is why I only buy options now. I like to buy them cheap and sell them for obviously. All right, let's look back at these down. All right, so my SPY calls are at $50. I bought these at $6. I should close it, right? I should close it, right? I should close it. What should I do? What should I do? I should close it. I should close it. Just close it, dude. Close it. Close it. Close it. Close it, dude. Close it. Close it. Close it. Let it close. Take your money. Take your money, bro. Take it. What? Okay. Hold on, what the hell just happened? What just happened? What just happened? Oh crap.
Take your money.
I'm trying. I don't know what the hell. I don't know if I just I didn't buy these. I know I didn't. I wouldn't be that foolish. Did I just buy these at $50? Come on, baby. Come on, don't drop on me. Don't drop on me. Don't drop. I think I bought. I think I bought. I think I made a mistake and probably bought them. All right. Man, all right, man. All right. All right, so ES got the 50. That's what I was concerned about. That's what I was debating. ES got the 50. ES got the 50. All right, take me to the promised land. Fill these orders, baby. Fill them. I'll get out at 51. I'll get out at 51. All right, I took the profits on that one. Took the profits on it. I got one. Okay, no, I'm gonna take the profits on this. I'm gonna close it. I'm closing it. I'm gonna close it. I'm not. Come on. Oh my God. Come on. Don't do this. I said I was gonna close it. All right. Come on, don't do that. I said I was gonna close it. Shit. All right. Let me just close this. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close it. All right, just close it, dude. See, I already got one closing. Just close it, dude. Just close it. Cancel that. All right. All right. Just close it and don't look back, dude. Just close it and don't look back. Dude, did I just buy it again? Okay. Is it okay? Close. Okay, I can't. Obviously, I can't do that. So this thing is okay, so I'm making mistakes. I'm fighting against myself because I keep buying it back. All right. I mean, does it come back? That's the question. Does it come back? All right. Yo, what the fuck? Yeah. Oh. Why is it keep doing that? I'm closing the position. Why the hell is it saying to freaking I'm closing the position. Why does it keep buying it? Like, what's up with that? All right. All right. So SPY hit that freaking that level. I'm afraid to look at this XBX. Look at that, man. It was at 152. I mean, I can still close this and I will still be up. I'm profitable in a day. I will still be profitable in a day. I just gonna have to probably be patient on this and hope that this thing doesn't just fall out the sky. Let's actually look at that real quick. All right. Now this thing wants to do that? Like, now it wants to do all that? All right. All right. So SPY got to almost 600. The one thing that is frustrating right now is I don't understand how I was buying these when I could have sworn I was setting these things to close. That's what's frustrating. I don't understand how this thing started buying them when I was closing, literally closed the position. But I think I don't think this thing's gonna fall out the sky yet. I don't think so. They're gonna probably want to do some. Let's go to the minute chart real quick. They're gonna probably want to do some because the bulls ain't gonna let this go. Not like that. Let's look at the almighty 1 minute chart. Yeah, they're gonna probably want to retest that high, at least 98. I mean, price is still technically trending. If we see a rejection here, then these calls are basically done if they reject. But the market is still trending. Still trending. Hold on, guys. Let me get my daughter off the. All right, so let's see. If we don't see continuation right here, this thing is going to go down.
Yeah, I'm calling it here.
Okay.
See y'all next time.
All right, bro. Have a good day, man.
Yeah, yeah. Have a good weekend. Y'all stay green.
Peace.
Later.
Wow. I got the key.
I mean, shit, at this point, I just need my my SPY calls to close and profit. Come on, Bulls. Come on. Come on, Bulls. We know you can do it. We know you can do it. You've done it before. Do it again. Shit, when I'm a bear, it seems like when I short this thing keeps on going up. But when I'm finally a bull with the market, it's doing all this bull crap. Yeah, come on. Just keep on pumping it, man. Just keep on pumping it. Just let me get out at the area where I want to get out. All right, man. I gotta close these, man, because I'm not playing this game. I'm not gonna stress out over $10, $30. All right, I'll get out at 41. Come on. I reduced it. Come on, baby. Oh my God. Give me what I want. Man, you can't make this crap up, man. You can't make it up. Wow. Okay. All right. I made some mistakes today. Apparently, I was buying the calls when I should have been selling them. And I don't know why I did that. Come on, Bulls. Come on. Come on, Bulls. Come on. Bulls like the job ain't finished. All right. The job's not finished, Bulls. It's not finished. Actually, let me manage this position because it does look like the Bulls are gonna crap here. All right. I'm not gonna let this thing come all the way back. Just in case. Keep my stop right underneath that low. I think that's, yes, that's cool. 545. Yeah, that's cool. Just in case. I should just keep this at a realistic target, probably like right here. A realistic target. Set at 800. But then what if it touches 800? I mean, we had a value area high at, all right, no, that was like 6. We had a lower day at 712. We had a lower day at 712. So I'm gonna put that. Oh my God. Come on, Bears. Stop being rainbow right now, dude. Come on, Bears. You're being real rainbow right now. Relax. Y'all had y'all chance to short this shit. Relax. Damn. Shit, let us get to 600. Damn. Yeah, this is the only time we see real aggression from Bears. The only time we see aggression from Bears. Damn, look at that drop on SPY. Okay. Come on, Bulls. Yeah. Yeah, Muhammad A, yeah. Yeah, gain weight. Like, dude, this is the only time when we see aggression from Bears. Like, get the hell out the way. Shit. Y'all can't hold nothing down. But then when the Bulls trying to get some action in, y'all want to, yeah, let's throw our whole college kids fund in there and try to short this market and get in the way. I guess if they said if we can't get what you want, if we can't get what we want, y'all can't get what y'all want neither. But shit, I'm trading the Nasdaq when it's the ES is what I should have been trading. The ES has just been super performing lately, man. Seriously. Yeah. Shit, a big red candle will hurt mine, so a big red candle is gonna hurt my feelings. So yeah, the Bulls need to start taking this seriously. But yeah, I do agree, man. Especially on the higher time frame, we're definitely well. I mean, I guess that would still. Ah, man. We just need to get a close. I mean, at least in this box right here, because I mean, technically that could be seen as bearish. But I mean, they are buying it. You do got these wicks. We just need that close above that high. Honestly, I just want six. I just want. Yeah, we just need that close. That's it. That's it. Come on, ES or Nasdaq. SPY. Get out the way, market makers. Get out the way. Get out the way. Mm. And if I can hold a loser in hope, I can hold a winner in hope too. Come on, baby, let's go. Man, if this is a red candle, that's gonna hurt my feelings, man. That's gonna hurt my feelings. But that's a nasty red candle right here. That's what I'm talking about, SPY. There we go, buyers. There we go. There we go. Keep buying. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I needed. That's what I needed. Wow. Okay. Man, we can get this thing to squeeze above 600. I'll be a happy man. The way it's looking. Hmm. I mean, if we lose this, I mean, if the bulls don't buy the retest right here. If they don't buy the retest, we're coming back into this range. 570. We're going back to 570 if we lose this, if they don't buy this retest. Oh, I'm long. I'm long right now. I'm looking at SPY. SPY, come on. Come on, SPY. Come. Oh my God. Come on, SPY. You can do this, man. You can hold it. You can hold this. Yeah, buy that. Don't let these bears get you down. Let's get regarded. There we go. Let's get regarded in this thing. Tell the bears every time they drop it down, it's cheaper prices. Tell them that. Show it to them. Let's see what they're doing right now. So, I mean, they don't have any prints coming out. But it looks like 598. Okay, so it looks like 598.83. 598.83. Okay. 598.83. Ah, damn, look at that. 598.83. Okay. Damn. Damn. Yeah. 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 I think right now, I should focus on, I mean, if this was a short, I mean, they are selling this thing. I'm not saying that they're not, but it hasn't flushed yet. As long as we don't see that flush, as long as we don't see that close underneath this low at 98, the bulls still have a chance. Yeah, they're coming in, they're buying it. Okay. We still got a chance. Still got a chance. Yeah, you know, I'm not gonna let that happen. And we still got a chance. As long as they don't break below this low, we still got a chance. The only reason why I'm kind of upset is because I don't know why, but I bought these stupid 600 calls when they're at 40 and I'm trying to get my money back. And it just seems like every time when you're trying to chase your money back, that's when the market or whatever game, oh my God, there it goes. Oh my fucking God. It just seems like whenever you start chasing whatever game you playing, it just seems to everything tends to not work out in your favor. It's like you're always fighting against the game when you're chasing. All of a sudden, the bears are now just super aggressive right now. Just like Muhammad said, they're selling it now. After this big, strong, bullish move up, you're trying to tell me that there's no, at least a retest of the high, at least? At least a retest? The bulls aren't good with they're good with just one test and a drop. That's it. But then when you're trying to short this damn market, fighting against the trend, the bulls go crazy. All right. They run out of money? Yeah. Yeah, Mohammed, why is that? Why did you choose not to trade today? I mean, I know it's crazy today. I mean, but why you choose not to trade? You don't mind sharing? At 597.50? 597. Oh shit, man. My calls will be done. Oh no, I can't, dude. Hopefully. My calls will be done at 97.50, especially this late, because now not only am I fighting the downward trend, I'm also fighting the time decay. Hopefully that does not happen. I mean, I don't care what happens after I get out, but hopefully we don't see no 97.50. Hopefully. Oh shit. I mean, words come to shove, this not futures or nothing, so I'll just lose what I put in. But I just hate that for whatever reason. I'm gonna probably have to look back at what I did, but I was buying these options when I was trying to sell them. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why. And I did that multiple times. I don't understand why I did that. All right. So, I mean, now it's 12 o'clock Eastern. So now these options, if this shit don't work out, now I'm fighting time decay now. So my calls have to be in the money to get the premium that I need. Or this thing needs to, yeah. Yeah, I'm fighting the market now. You know what? Maybe if I do this, you know what? Fine. I'm gonna go short then. I'm shorting this market. Oh, I probably got stopped out of that other. Let me check. Probably got stopped out. Oh my God. I did something stupid. Oh my. I did something stupid. Oh wow. I did something stupid. I did something completely stupid. I thought I was trading in the sim. All right, man. All right, so Raven said we bounced off the 100 SMA on the SPY on the 1 minute chart. And you said that, oh, well, I hope you feel better, Mohammed. He said no trading. Nah, the doctor tell me no trading. I'm gonna need to get a second opinion on that. I'm gonna need to get a second opinion. I'm going to another doctor. And so he can tell me what I want to hear. It's like, yeah, just take it easy, but you can keep trading. You know what, doctor? That's exactly what I want to hear. You got something you want to prescribe me? So yeah, hopefully you won't see a rejection right here. But I mean, you got the EMAs. Yeah, this account is gonna probably be done. If it hits my stop, this account's done. I didn't realize I was trading in this account. I thought I was trading in the sim. That's I don't know why I was making these stupid small little mistakes today. Getting caught up in all the euphoria. I did all that work, dude, to bring this account back too. That's so crazy. Yeah, I got like $700 worth of drawdown left in this damn account. And so this thing needs to hit. These bulls need to step in. I mean, should I trust it? Okay. All right. I mean, we're at 12 o'clock Eastern time, so shit. I mean, people should start closing out of their positions. Shit, when it comes to options, man, this shit gonna go to, this gonna go to zero. All right, come on. I gotta make back all that money. At least give me that first target so I can put some money in the bank. At least give me the first target, Nasdaq. Don't be nasty here. Don't be nasty here. At least give me that first target so I can have some money in the bank. Am I still in this position? I'm still in this one. I'm still in this one. All right, so I should have got that first target hit. Should have got. Oh. All right, come on, baby. Come on. As soon as you let your emotions take over when it comes to trading, I don't know what it is, man, but when you get emotionally hijacked, the mistakes start to come. It's like it's like a contradiction to the human experience. Like it's like you can't even have fun doing something. Like you got to be serious at all times and not even enjoy the victory in order to continue to win. Because as soon as you let, quote unquote, you start to celebrate, the mistakes start to happen. Like this morning, I've made small little emotional mistakes today. I kept buying instead of selling my calls. That first initial pump on the Nasdaq, I was in the wrong account. I made money in the wrong account instead of the account that I intended to make money in. And so I had to come back and hope that I didn't miss the move, kind of gamble a little bit in that. Made a mistake with that. And as I was trying to close these SPY calls at $55, I was just making all these small little mistakes. And I lost money in this account. And that's why I'm just trying to get it back. Because obviously I want my money back. I thought I was trading in the sim. I would never trade that much risk, at least at the top of a move, not a breakout. Thought I was just playing in the sim. But I'm still in that other trade, so I mean, it's not like we'll see what happens. I'll keep streaming until 12 o'clock because at 12 o'clock, I think the market would have already made its move by then. So, I mean, I'll do this for like another hour. Hopefully the market, because I mean, the market makers shouldn't be chopping this thing. The premium is basically done if you're out of the money. Hopefully some of these shorts will choose to cover. But I mean, what I just said was blasphemous. A bear ain't gonna cover their shorts. It's either give me what I want or liquidate my account. Hmm. Okay. Come on, baby. Keep on going. Keep on going. I mean, I guess we could see. I mean, we are at around 600. We are around 600 on the Nasdaq. And why am I trading the Why am I trading the Nasdaq when the ES is performing so much better? I would just hate to get out this thing, but I mean, I don't got the drawdown for it. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll just reduce my risk on this one. I don't want to get bounced out of this and it goes. I'll just keep my stop underneath that candle. Hopefully just don't see a drop here. I mean, but the bulls they're steady buying this thing. It's just that obviously, like Mohammed is saying, the market makers are just selling this damn thing. Rainbow Bear is just selling it. You said, yeah, it definitely does, man. He said his dog is a friend. Real friends don't tell other friends not to trade. But yeah, emotions does kill the trader, man. It's honestly, I mean, we still do it. It's kind of, it's one of those emotions where once it hijacks you, once it overwhelms you, it's kind of is either give you what you want or you need somebody else to be in the room with you to stop you from doing it, from making these mental mistakes, especially when you're playing with money. A physical risk manager is exactly what. Let's see if she's going to play around at this target, man. I mean, they always do it, man. They always do it. So I'll just put it down a little bit, man. They always play around at that first target, no matter where the hell I put it at. Or when it gets to a target. It hit my first target. Let's see if it'll hit this one. Yeah. I mean, if you trade the Nasdaq, oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. The Nasdaq is super stressful. When it's chopping around, the Nasdaq is super stressful to trade. Because it does things like this, like it's so close to your target and then it runs right back down and then it has to work harder to get to where you kind of want to get out at. Like, dude. Just hit that target. Just hit that second one for me. Come on, Nasdaq, you can do it. I can leave the other ones to run. Just hit that target, baby. Just hit that target. I can leave that other one to kind of run to like, and at least, yeah, at least that high, and then leave this one to run. You see what I'm talking about? Like, that's what's stressful about the freaking Nasdaq, dude. Why? What am like, dude, where's the resistance? Where? Why? Why? Where's the resistance at? Yeah, just hit that damn target. Like, come on, stop playing around. And as soon as I take it, it's gonna run past it. Like, the Nasdaq is just so notorious for this crap, man. As soon as I take it, then it shoots up, and then all of a sudden, all the resistance that was holding it back is gone. You bet not. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. No way. Yo, no way. No. Oh my God. Ugh. Yeah, I know, dude. It's so crazy. Yeah, dude. It's so crazy. It's like, how does she know? How does she know? How does she know? It's freaking crazy, man. Ticks. Ticks away. And dude, this is not even an area of resistance. Like this thing could still potentially go up. Like it's like, why did it stop there? Like why? It's not even resistance or nothing. And yet it's acting like it because my target is right there. This thing still has more room to go, or at least it should. I mean, you got this high right here. I mean, if if I wanted to be cute, this high right here. Yeah, with all this resistance, with all this bearishness, if we break above, this thing is going to squeeze. This thing is going to super squeeze. We're going to see a super squeeze here. The bears has been aggressively shorting this damn thing. And they've been failing to push this thing and hold. And the bulls has just been aggressively buying. Once the bears cover by getting them stops touched, this thing is going to squeeze. Super squeeze. Just like Muhammad said, above 600 on SPY. If they allow that to happen, this thing is going to squeeze. Of course, dude. Like, that's what I'm talking about. Like, stupid shit like that. That's what I'm talking about. Stupid shit like that. All right, hit that target, man. Dude, nowhere. Bro, what the fuck, man? Thank you. Thank you. My God. Now look at all the bullishness now. I mean, this is SPY right now. Oh, crap. Grabbed the wrong one. I mean, SPY basically made, yeah. We should see a squeeze. We should see this thing squeeze now. We should see a squeeze. The bears failed. Price is well above the EMAs. We should see a squeeze, man. These bears should be covering. You know what? I'm going to put this right here. And I'm just going to leave this one to run. I put this at like 50 or something. Oh, shit, baby. I mean, don't let me get in the way. All right. So I was able to bring this account back. I'm trailing. I'm trailing one. I can't let this thing come back on me. I'm trailing it. I got my money back on this. I can't let it pull back. I can't let it pull back. Can't let it pull back. I'll let that last piece run though. I'm gonna let it run. Let that last piece run. Cool. 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 All right. Cool. I'm letting this last piece run. I got my money back. All right, dude. So yeah. All right. All right. So we touched that thing and rejected. All right. But I can't. I gotta still. I'm gonna let it run, but I still gotta protect this. I still got $1,500 of unrealized profits. All right. So this is what I'm going to do on this. I'm going to keep trailing it, but I'm gonna keep trailing it. Yo, thanks, Muhammad. Yeah, Core W. Yeah, I think this is going to send. I think we're going to squeeze. I think we're about to squeeze. Or I guess, you know what? I'll leave it right there. It's the 23%. I'm not going to fight against the 23% today. I don't want to. Yeah, that's literally at the top of that range right there. So let me front run that 650. All in all, I think I'm up 360 points on this move. Yeah, I mean, this goes to show that I should have took it as, I mean, and this is why I keep telling this to myself and I keep doing it. I create a plan for the Nasdaq. We say, hey, this is where we're going to get out at. It gets there, and then I move my target up. And I always do that crap. I always move my target up on the Nasdaq because it's like, man, she can keep going. She can keep going. With all this bullish momentum, of course they're going to pull back and try to keep going higher. Says send to fund it. They're too expensive for me. They're too expensive. They're definitely too expensive for me. Because what they start at like $400-500. I'm a good trader, but I have bad days. And I'm okay with losing $100, $80. I'm okay with that. But you start getting up to the $400, I'm gonna start to think about what else I could have done with $400 instead of gambling it away. And plus, I don't want to do that because I'm gonna share this with you guys. I mean, obviously, Mohammed is a really good trader. He's been in this game for a long time. You know, I know a lot, but like I said, I still have bad days and I still have to work on when I trade on tilt, because you already see it. If I'm on the wrong side of the market and I'm chasing, I'm going to chase. I'm not going to give it up. And unfortunately, like y'all saw yesterday, it'll cost me an account. So obviously, there's still a lot of parts of my game that I have to work on before going straight to funded, because to me, I'll just be throwing that money away. Because as soon as you get into that funded account, and if you don't got your emotions in check, you'll start taking trades just because you want to see some green instead of waiting for the setups. So I say all that to say this. I stay in the evals and practice how I'm going to trade. So when I get into the funded account, I'm trading no differently. When I was passing the accounts in one day, and then on the funded side, they have consistency rule, they have scaling, they have this and they have that. I would find myself second guessing positions. I would find myself staying in the losers longer because I don't want to be wrong and lose money, and I'll lose more money. And to me, once I started trading like MFF, for example, they have a 40% consistency rule. Once I started trading like that in the eval, that's when I started getting all those payouts in the funded. And once I got euphoric, that's when I started making the mistakes. I deviated from the plan and all those accounts were blown. And it just seems like consistently every time I deviate from the plan, that's when I blow these accounts. Every time. I don't know if I'm doing that subconsciously. I don't know what it is, but at least for me, when I deviate from the plan, everything goes to shit. So that's why I don't go straight to funded. Me personally, and honestly, I would never recommend it if you're not already comfortable trading, because these prop firms making you pay for it. They're definitely making you pay for it. Where's that low at? Low 631. But I did trade that milestone account, and I got all the way to phase 3 without any trouble. And I kind of knew I was in trouble because I told myself, damn, as soon as you pass phase 4, they're going to put you in a live account. And you know what I did after I told that to myself? That account is damn near gone. It's on its last leg. I think I got like maybe $50 of drawdown left in that damn thing. I think, so there's obviously some things that I got to work on. Apparently I don't want to be live because every time I get close, I blow up. Honestly, I honestly just want to make the money. I mean, that's all I really want. I don't particularly care to be a live trader. I mean, being a live trader doesn't define me as a trader. As long as these prop firms are paying up, that's all I care about. Oh shit, we got one more dollar. We got one more. Oh, they're gonna probably drop it on. Oh shit. Yeah, me too, man. Yeah. My calls, like, dude, I got 6-2, and that's what I'm talking about. I'm fighting premium decay now. So price is literally in the money almost. And these things are only at $38. So I'm fighting premium now as well. So these things got to push well into 600 for these things to get back up to where they were. I don't know if the market going to, I don't know. If they do this shit at the end of the day, because I mean, the calls are like, dude, it's right there. We just need to squeeze above it. is right there. Yeah, I'm not gonna let this position come back. And kind of going back to what you said, Alfred. Yeah, honestly, I think I'm kind of over the small accounts. Like, I make so much money because as long as I have the drawdown, I'm not thinking about it. I'm not thinking about how much I can lose. I'm thinking about how much I can make. And ever since I switched to these bigger accounts, yeah, I mean, the profit goal is bigger, but I mean, I'm having 10K days across accounts, 15K days, making 3K, and I don't have to catch big, crazy moves, to make a lot of money. I can see the setup, get into 4 mini contracts, and make my money. Cause shit, I'm up 300 something. I was up like 500 points at the peak of this. And this one contract was only like 7, 8. I mean, what's that? Like $1,000? I was at 550. So I got in at my original position started all the way down here at 210. But this one is at 252. So I got all the way up to 680. So that was like 500 and I got like the 680, right? So like 32. And I caught all those points just for if I traded minis and caught literally 20, 50 points on that. I still would have made more money with minis. So it's like, yeah, I'm kind of over I'm kind of over it. All right, so I was up 433 points from the lows from 252 all the way up to 685. And on this one contract, this is only $866. And they're gonna probably sell it here on SPY. Let me make sure I'm trailing this. Make sure it's managing, because I'm not gonna let this pull back like that. Because this could potentially be a double top right here. And that can be a strong high, and this can be a double top. All right. So, I mean, whatever happens, happens. Yeah. And it's funny you said that because I tried both. I had a big, large apartment. It was too much space. So I was like, oh, let's move into a smaller one. I moved into a smaller one and it was not enough space. And it just seems like if you put too much stuff in your house, it becomes too cluttered, and it's looking to find that medium sized house to where it's not too much space, but then at the same time, you have room to do things in it to where it doesn't feel cluttered all the damn time. I don't know how people can live the way that they live in New York. Like, it's been literally a jail cell that they're paying $2,500 to rent. Like, your bathroom is in your kitchen and your washing machine is on top of your fridge. That is fucking crazy. That's crazy to me. All right. I'm not going to move my stop back. If it stops me out, it stops me out. I'm not moving it back. Yeah, let me get some of that missed by a tick action. Yeah, miss me by a tick. Come on, push this thing right back higher. All right, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. Yep. Muhammad. Yep. I do see it. Yeah. They don't. Yeah. They don't want to get it past. It was like, yo, y'all keep buying. We're going to keep selling. We'll see who runs out of money first. Hopefully the Bears do. Shit. We need that squeeze above 600. Bears, get the hell out the way. Let us get our 600 and then we'll give you the market. We'll help you sell the market down. Stop being so rainbow. We'll help you sell the market down if you let us get to 600. Like, come on. We'll help you. But yeah, I'm looking at that same thing too, Muhammad. You see that nice clean double top, but what I'm looking at is, I mean, the Bears, they keep selling this thing, but they gotta break structure. So they ain't break structure yet. So that's why I'm still in my calls. They ain't break structure yet. And shit, we're touching that door. If the Bears don't get out the way, they're about to get squeezed. If they don't get out the way, they're gonna get squeezed. Typical NQ, man. Typical. Stop you out and then keep on going. Typical NQ. But I'm not going to add any more to this position. I'm not adding any more. Yeah. Yeah, Muhammad. I mean, shit, the market is still in a, like, low key, it's still in an uptrend. Like the Bears, they doing a whole lot of selling, but the Bulls are doing a whole lot of buying. They have not broken this trend. And let me see what this looks like. I just want to see what it looks like. You know, the crazy thing is that even though with all this selling from the Bears, it's still only 12:40 Eastern. It's still only 12 o'clock. There's still enough time in the day. Oh, really? You said this money's not retail, so you're saying that the institutions are buying this thing up? Hmm. And yeah, Mohammed, I see it, man. Yeah, I've been talking a lot about this on the evening stream, but I've been watching a lot of blackjack. People play online casinos. As rigged as those things are, people still play it. And I've seen people lose millions of dollars and redeposit more money to try to chase the millions that they've lost. Usually these online gamblers, they're usually down, and majority of the stream, it's them trying to get their money back to break even. And you can just see the highs and the lows, man. You see it. You see the emotional roller coaster of them chasing their break even. This one dude was down like 3.8 million and was able to get half that back before he called it quits. So I've seen it. People with big money, they chase. And the only way that they stop is when they run out of money. And that's what kind of encouraged me to kind of stop, kind of gambling a little bit myself. Cause seeing that emotional roller coaster, because internally you feel it, but it doesn't register until you see it. And obviously I saw myself in a lot of these guys, a lot of the behaviors, trading on tilt, playing on tilt, chasing, not calling it quits when you say, hey, this is the plan, this is what I'm going to do. And then you keep playing anyway. Yeah. Damn, Knife Art, that's unfortunate. And Muhammad, you said that there's psychology algos behind it. Yeah, I definitely believe you. I definitely believe it because I see it. Yeah, Knife Art, dude, it's the psychology is crazy, man. You know exactly what you need to do, but your emotions, once you get emotionally hijacked and you get into hope mode, it's hard. You need somebody else to touch you. Kind of like, I don't know if anybody's familiar with Naruto. I mean, I'm pretty sure you should, but how people get put under a genjutsu, basically hypnotism, basically. And the only way for them to snap out of that is if somebody comes and touch them. And that's the only way to snap out of it. And that's what I think about once I get into that emotional roller coaster, man. If somebody doesn't come and touch me, that account is gone. Give me what I want or liquidate my account. That shit's gone. Give me what I want or liquidate my account. And then after it's all done and I come down off it, it's like, damn, I just let this shit really liquidate my account. I mean, I threw a tantrum and I tell myself that, dude, you just threw a tantrum and blew your whole account up. You took your anger out on your account. But I don't care in the moment. I only care afterwards. I don't care. I don't care. And that's what I have to fix before I start going straight into funded accounts, because that behavior, I got to fix that first. And see losses as an opportunity to learn and grow and see what I did wrong versus the market taking something from me and me not accepting it. So. Yeah. But yeah, kind of going back to what you were saying about those psychology algos, Mohammed. Yeah, I see it in blackjack, dude. It's crazy how those NPC dealers are consistently getting 20 and 21. And you think that if this was a fair game and that these dealers are getting 20, 21, why the hell they're not playing blackjack instead of being an NPC on an online casino? So we all know that the deck is rigged to perform a particular way. We know that. And it just seems like what I see constantly, it gives you good cards. It gives you a big win. And after that big win, that's when the dealer is getting 621, 6 cards, 21s. They're getting low cards. They're getting you to chase that. Like after a big win, you're so high and then you're losing. And then now they got you. Because now they got you chasing that win. And it's like, dude, that is so crazy. That is absolutely crazy how that consistently happens. And it's across multiple streamers playing blackjack at the same casino. And it's so consistent. So it's like, damn, Crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So like I said, I gotta get off at 12. I gotta I'm so glad that Friday's a holiday or Monday's a holiday. I don't have to. But then at the same time, I don't know if the market is absolutely closed on Monday, which sucks. So we have an early close on Monday. So what I think the market is going to do, I think we're probably going to see a continuation to the. So whatever the market does today, we'll probably see a continuation on Monday. But we all know that low liquidity holidays on the markets, those usually tend to run. I don't think they're going to change. And then once people get back in front of their desk the next day, that's when we see that reversal. Yeah, I hope so, Cosmo, because that's exactly where my target's at. Or it was at 700, but I'll settle for 650. Yep, that's exactly right, Mohammed. It's a mental game. Like, that's why they be kicking people out. It's like, it's okay if you lose your life savings here, but you're not about to run us. So ES is at a, so is the ES going to trap the bears or are they going to trap the bulls here? This is a legitimate double top on the ES. Legitimate double top. But we still got to be mindful that the market is in an uptrend. It hasn't broken nothing. It has yet to break the trend. They're trying to sell it. They broke this one, that hidden channel. The bulls picked it up. So, I mean, if we get a breakout right here, I'll be interested to see what they do. You said the market makers are still fighting? Yeah, knife art. That's dude. I think so. I think I did the same exact thing yesterday. Same exact thing. I was just making all these mistakes, and as soon as I get into the sim, perfect entry, hits my targets, even exceed them, and then I'm thinking to myself, okay, well, maybe I was just having a bad time. Maybe the market is going to work in my favor. I get right back into my account and blow it. I'm like, dude, no way. The bulls didn't buy the retest. The thing sold off as I was trying to buy it, and that account was gone. And I made all that money in the sim because something told me just take this trade. But then I was like, just let me take it in the sim because I know I'm on tilt. And yeah, so yeah, that's definitely frustrating. Definitely. And for whatever reason, when you're playing on tilt, no amount of money is enough. It's like at that point, you're not playing for the money. You're playing to get your revenge. Like, you want to destroy something. You want to completely destroy something. You can win $1 million because shit, I've seen them guys win like literally all their money back, up $1 million, and still keep going. Still keep going. Because it's not about the money at that point once you're on tilt. It's not about the money at that point. It's about your feelings. You're in your feelings. The market did something to you, trying to get the market back. Or are you trying to get the game back? That's all you're doing. You want them to pay for what they did to you. Let's see. I mean, is this going to be a fake out? Because this is SPY right now. It's a SPY. Is that going to be a fake out or what? Are they going to try to trap the bears here? Or are they trapping bulls? Oh, look at that. Looks like they're trapping bears. You saw that? You see how sneaky that is, dude? You see that? Look how they trap bears underneath this trend line. Oh, look at that. Look how they trapped them. They trapped them right here underneath that trend line. There it goes. Looks like they're trying again. All right. Looks like the bears got it. They got it. All right. All right. So I'm going to move my stop on this because I got 7 minutes and then we'll be done for the day. I'm going to leave my stop actually right where it's at. I think that's a good spot to lock in my stop. Yeah, that's a good spot to lock in my stop. I mean, if we see a break, that's cool. It's a great spot. Yeah, I'll lock my stop in right there. Probably not 99, probably 97. Yeah, that's a great spot right there. All in all, I was able to bring this account back. I mean, I guess I'm glad that I noticed that I was in this account. I'm glad that we was able to catch this freaking long because I was able to get my money back and plus get some profits. And we're going into the weekend green, guys. That's all that matters. Oh, there goes that trend line. Man. So the bull's going to have to hold this line right here. If they don't hold it, the bears got to break that trend line. So that's going to definitely encourage some more shorting. And just like Muhammad said, you know, as soon as it gets to that level, man, they're shorting this thing. But every time they short it, the bulls are buying the dip. The market maker says, nah, this market's going down. He says, I'm going to sell it plus 25% more. That's so funny, Muhammad. Yo, that's so funny. Plus 25% more. Damn. I'm sorry to hear that, Alfred. Damn. Yo, sorry to hear that about your pro account, bro. I know you're really proud of that. Well, there it goes. Damn, look at that, dude. Look at that. I mean, if that doesn't, shit, these bulls have been regarded today. That ain't gonna scare them. Oh shit, that might scare them. That might scare them. Godly, look at that trend line break. Don't ever let nobody tell you trend lines don't work. Look at that trend line break. God damn. No, I think that's good enough. 670. Do I care about 20 points? No, I'm gonna keep it right there. Yeah, probably like 670. Yeah. Yeah, probably 666. Yeah, why not? Why not? We'll split the baby on that one. We'll split the baby. Oh, damn, you had two. I mean, yeah, I would never copy trade the Nasdaq. You would never see me copy trade anything with the Nasdaq. I'll copy trade the ES, never the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is just, you just have to be super disciplined. Not saying that anybody's not. You just have to be super disciplined with the Nasdaq. And just like Muhammad says, get out at those invalidation points. Get out. Because if you don't, the Nasdaq is definitely engineered to take away as much money away from you as possible. I mean, that's not a question. She's toxic for a reason. People are in love with her for a reason, because just she'll give and she'll take it away. She requires sacrifice as well. I mean, I know that's like a joke that we play, but she really requires sacrifice. Because of all the fake outs that she does. She'll hit your stops, blow up one account, and then once she does all that, then she'll go in that intended direction. It's just who she is. She can't help it. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. That's definitely true. That's why when I trade 4 minis, usually if I trade micros, I have a 54-point stop. That 54-point stop on 3 micros on the Nasdaq is only a $350 loss. If I'm trading minis, so my NQ stepper, my this strategy right here has an 18-point loss. I think I'll lose $1,200 if I lose. And I can't move this, because if I move it, obviously I'm gonna lose more. But 18 points, $1,200, that's already a lot. So I need to make sure that I'm getting in at my levels and waiting for them, because 18 points is, you blink and the Nasdaq moved 18 points. With the ES though, I can be more aggressive. I have a 10-point stop on the ES, but a 10-point move on the ES, that's really a move for real. So when I'm trading size on the ES, I'm very comfortable trading 4 mini contracts. But if this thing allowed me, I would trade 8. I'm comfortable trading 8 mini contracts with the ES, because I know that I'm in at my level. I know where it invalidates it, and I know that the ES ain't gonna do the bull crap that the Nasdaq does. So I will trade 8 mini contracts on the ES if it allowed me to. Because the ES is very simple. You get to a level, it's highly unlikely with a 10-point stop. Or actually, when I trade minis, I'm actually trading with a 7-point stop. That's $1,200 loss. So I'm willing to take a $1,200 loss every time I put on a trade. If given the opportunity, I will reduce it, but I start off with 7, because I'm only getting in at my levels with ES. So I mean, if it goes past 2 points, then I should be getting out. But I like to have it with 7 points, just in case it likes to wick and then go back up. I just want to give the position as much possibility to be successful as possible. But all you really need is 2 or 3 points of risk if you get in at a good spot on the ES. Because she don't play around. I mean, you can see it. She don't overshoot. She gets to areas of resistance, she drops. She gets to areas of support, she doesn't go too far, she pumps. I mean, if you want to be consistent, the ES is very easy to trade. You don't need to do too much thinking. She's not going to lie to you. She's going to tell you that, hey, there's a wall right here around 115. You see that it only went like what? 112, 3 points, 114. That's what support. You saw that this was resistance around 155. You see it. 148, 150. I mean, she don't lie. She don't. I mean, she's not gonna lie to you where her support and resistance areas are. So you just gotta be. Oh, look at that drop! God damn it! Damn. Well, there it goes. There it goes. But all right, guys. I gotta go. I'm at my time. It was great trading with y'all guys today, talking with you. We're ending the week green. I'm very happy about that. Ending the week green. I only blew one account this week, which I'm not saying that I blow accounts, but just having only one account being blown versus all my other accounts being up. So I think like this week, so I'm up 10K in this account. So I mean, this is what I've done today. So yeah, I mean, these are 2 accounts are passed. So I passed these 2 accounts. This is the account that I added more money to it because after I passed it, I made a mistake and got back into it. And I would have been so angry if I was wrong because this account was already passed. I just needed to pass this account right here. And so it just worked out. So I got 2 funded accounts right here. I'm 10K away from this one. This is the account. This is the competition account that I blew. This is the account that I blew this week. This one right here. I was up 6K in this account and I blew it. This is the one that I'm bringing back right here. So all in all, good week. Very profitable, good trading. So very proud of that. But all right, guys, we'll definitely come back next week and we'll earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody.